Ingredients for pizza. For the dough, 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup warm water, 1 tsp dry yeast, 1/2 tsp salt, 1 tbsp sugar, 1 tbsp vegetable oil. For the topping, 2 tbsp ketchup or tomato sauce, cheese mozzarella or any kind you like, sausage or chicken optional, tomato, olives, mushrooms, etc. Steps to make pizza. 1. Prepare the dough. Mix warm water, yeast, sugar, and a little flour. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Then add the remaining flour, salt, and oil. Knead into a soft dough. Cover and let it rise in a warm place for 30 to 40 minutes. 2. Shape the base. Once risen, roll out the dough into a round pizza shape. Place it on a baking tray. 3. Add sauce. Spread ketchup or tomato sauce evenly over the dough. 4. Add toppings. Add sliced sausage, tomatoes, mushrooms, olives, or other toppings you like. Sprinkle grated cheese on top. 5. Bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 180-200 degrees Celsius, 350-390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 to 20 minutes. 6. Serve. Slice and serve hot.